What if I told you there's an AI tool that can do the job of a real estate assistant? Faster, cheaper, and 24/7. Whether it's writing emails, organizing listings, or handling client follow-ups, this tool can seriously save you time and money. Let me show you how. Hey, I'm Frank, and this is AI Made Easy, where I break down powerful AI tools for busy professionals like you. Today's spotlight: an AI assistant that can take a ton off your plate if you're in real estate, ChatGPT. But not just ChatGPT. I'm going to show you how to use it like a virtual real estate assistant. Let's dive in what it can do. Here are 5 tasks ChatGPT can handle for you right now. Write listing descriptions. Just describe the property and let ChatGPT craft a polished, buyer-friendly listing in seconds. Reply to buyer.search seller emails. Paste the email. Ask ChatGPT to write a professional reply. Quick, consistent, and typo-free. Create open house scripts. Need to sound polished during showings? ChatGPT will write you a welcoming, informative walkthrough. Generate social media posts. It can write engaging posts to promote new listings. Captions, hashtags, even emoji ideas. Summarize client notes. Drop in your scribbled notes and ask for a clean summary. Ideal for CRM updates or quick team handoffs. How to set it up. You can use ChatGPT for free at chat.openai.com. But to level up, I recommend using tools like AIPRM for prompt templates, Zapier to connect ChatGPT with your CRM or email, voice-to-text plugins if you're on the go. And yes, I've included a free real estate prompt pack to make all this even easier. Freebie CTA. Want to skip the setup and get right to results? Download the free prompt pack I made just for agents like you. It has pre-written prompts for listings, emails, and more. Grab it here. Your opt-in page link. If this helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more AI tips for real estate pros. Drop a comment if you've tried ChatGPT and let me know how you're using it. See you in the next one.